To start selling on Temu, follow these steps to create a seller account. Visit Temu's seller portal. Navigate to the Temu website and look for the Sell on Temu or Seller Portal option, usually in the footer or menu. Alternatively, search directly for Temu's seller registration page. Click on Sign up for sellers. On the seller portal, select the option to create a seller account. Provide business information. Fill out the registration form with details about your business. Include your business name, email address, phone number, and legal business address. Add your tax identification number or equivalent for compliance. Set up payment information. Enter your preferred payment details to receive payouts. This usually includes bank account information. Upload required documents. Submit necessary documents such as proof of business registration, tax documents, and identification. Agree to terms and conditions. Review and accept Temu's seller policies and terms of service. Complete your profile. Customize your store by adding a profile picture, store description, and branding elements. Start listing products. Once approved, upload your product catalog and begin selling.